Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add captions to your videos in seconds. So in here in ShotCut apps, you'll see at the homepage there is auto captions feature where you can instantly generate captions for your clips. So I'm going to just click on the feature and then select the video. So in here I'm going to use this video. You can select the sound source and also the language. So here I'm going to just go with English, and you can, if the video already have a subtitle, you can clear it by enable this clear current subtitle option. But if you don't, you can just click on start. After that, ShotCut will creating the auto captions. You can just wait until it finishes. So it depends on the duration of the video itself. Just wait patiently until it's all done. Okay, it will be done in seconds. Okay, so now the caption has been generated like this. You can see the result in here. If you want to edit the caption, you can just click on the caption. You can edit it. You can also change the style, change the font. You can change the style in here, change the color. You can also add some highlight background like this, or you can also use the template. When you're done, just click on the check icon. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Click on the thanks. Bye.